Alright, we have a Lenovo L580. This one has a Type-C issue. This port has actually broken off before, and client did manage to stick it on there with pressure. A wonderful job, and they were able to use it for some time until it's gotten loose. So let's see if we can do anything about it for them. We ordered a new one, so we got to get this board ready. Let's take a quick photo and do a proper installation. So removing the battery was really difficult. Okay, let's have a look. First, let's clean those pads from this side. Alright, so the board is now ready, but we don't have a part. And that's what the old one looks like. That works, 20 volts, it's turning on. We're gonna see if it will simply detect the USB. Yeah, great. So it's booting off the Type-C USB port. Wonderful. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.